believe we only have 2 months left of 2024. I feel like I say this every month, every year, but time really flew by. I've been doing a lot of journaling, a lot of self-reflection these days. I'm not gonna lie, we've been going through it a little, but at the end of the year, I just need a reset. Right now, when I'm recording this video, we're a little bit more than 50 days until the end of the year. 50 is such a perfect whole round number. It sounds like a great time to do a reset. It was also daylight savings over the weekend, which makes for a perfect basis to wake up early, get productive, get in bed earlier, and be one step ahead of the game when everyone does get on their New Year's resolutions.
Funny when you're paying attention to them, and everyone was getting in.
I'm gonna start by setting some goals, but this time I'm not doing it in the typical way I've done before. I used to set a bunch of goals and make streaks and habits. This time I want to identify the parts of my life that I am unsatisfied with and decide how to tackle those problems head on.
No, I don't. Just as the river flows down the road, you don't owe them anything.
Help me organize for the big shop update for all the holiday stuff I got going on. I've been using melville. So excited to be working with them for this video because it's such an amazing tool to help you organize your creative projects and your life in general. I'm gonna show you exactly how I've been using it. This is my holiday shop update board. I have a bunch of new products coming to the shop, so here I made a little table of all the products, the quantities, the costs. You could track everything in one place and keep an eye on those shipments. I also created a weekly to-do list, and I have that linked to a weekly overview where I can divvy up the tasks by the day and slowly work through it. I love how easy it is to create different boards for different projects. It's really intuitive. All you have to do is drag and drop elements from the sidebar wherever you like on the board, and you can move things around until you find the perfect place for it. It's great for creatives like myself because you can organize your ideas visually in a way that makes sense to you. Like here, I've even decorated it with my own inspo picks and color swatches, you know, make it cute, aesthetically pleasing. And I've also created a mood board for my 50-day reset, and this one is just a bunch of inspo pics, some quotes for motivation. Here I made a list of a bunch of recipes that I want to try. It's a great way of keeping it all together, and I can link directly to the recipes. melville makes starting a new project easy with over 100 built-in templates available for every type of creative project. Whether you're a filmmaker, interior designer, a writer, a content creator, melville is designed to help you organize your work. If you're working with a team and you're ready to share your work, you can invite them to your boards to gather important feedback and collaborate in real time. You can even use the melville web clipper extension to save images and text directly to your boards from any website. melville is available for free with no time limit, so be sure to sign up for a free melville account using the link in my description. I've done kitchen resets before where I'm deep cleaning everything. I'm saying that like I don't regularly clean my kitchen. Surprise. Today, not only am I going to be cleaning the kitchen, but I will be cleaning the fridge. This is so nasty. Who knows when this is from? I bought this block of cheese a few weeks ago and I don't know when it's supposed to expire, but I feel like I should freeze it at this point. This is what my mom used to do when I was growing up. I would always see her shred the cheese blocks, loitering in the kitchen, popping a handful in my mouth when she's not looking. Got about 5.3 ounces of cheese. I think I'm gonna split it into 2 ounces of cheese. Now I'm gonna meal plan for the week. After going through the fridge, I need to get some groceries. I'm using one of my digital meal planners. You can get it on my website. When I say meal plan, it's a very rough overview. Usually I choose one recipe, write down all the ingredients that I need to get from the store to make that. And because I'm usually making only 1 or 2 servings, I know I'm gonna have leftovers of the ingredients. So then I start brainstorming ideas of what I could do with those ingredients, and then I come up with the other recipes for the week. I saved this one on Instagram. I think it's similar to the viral feta tomato pasta from a few years ago. 1 butternut squash. It's kind of all. Just the squash and feta. Okay. sounds sick. To make the dehydrated yogurt, they have a cheesecloth. I'm just gonna use paper towel for this.
Today we'll be doing a morning meditation. Start by taking a comfortable seat that allows the spine some space to grow tall. See if you can sense the slightest curve of a smile resting in the lips. I hope you enjoyed today's daily calm. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, Queen. I'm actually feeling much better this morning. I woke up still a little stuffy, my throat is sore. You can probably hear a bit of the congestion in my voice, but I'm feeling so much better than yesterday. By tomorrow, all the drainage would have happened and I'll be back to 100. Right now, I'm setting up a budget planner or my financial overview for the month. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I think it's really helpful with this 50-day reset I'm doing to track all of my expenses by hand. I've been working with an accountant this year and it's been so helpful for me, especially managing both my business and my personal finances. Before I started working with an accountant, I was tracking all my personal finances. This is definitely something I'd recommend, writing down each and everything so you know exactly where your money is going. Here is a very simple layout column to write the date on the side and what the expense or the income is. Even something like this, being aware of where things are coming in and going to, makes a big difference for me. Yeah. Scoop of miso. My stepbrother just sent me a care package from Canada. Last time I saw him, I gave him a bunch of US snacks. He told me he would send some back in exchange. Ketchup chips. I'm so excited to try them. Oh my god. It smells more strongly of ketchup than it actually tastes. Ooh, this looks like a Snickers bar or something. Wait, why did you send me Ruffles? Can you not get this flavor in the US?
Oh, he did tell me about this one, the all-dressed ones.
those more than ketchup chips. Swedish berries? I hope these don't taste like Swedish fish. This is cute. I'm sure I can use this for cooking.
No!
I was literally in a store with my friend the other day and we saw these for $37.99. He's so cutie.
Oh, this was such a fail. I feel like this fit is very Nana. Fried chicken! I'm vlogging today.
I think one could call this a bit of an obsession. Just finished up writing my nightly journal. I started this thing in 2020. One of my goals I wrote down was to finish this by the end of the year, and I'm pretty close. I have confidence I can. I get a lot of questions from people who want to start journaling, asking what to write about or if I follow any prompts. Before bed, I just like to do a brain dump of my entire day. I am a yapper, so once I start on a topic, it is not difficult for me to fill up an entire page, whether it sticks with that topic or we stray away. But one thing I'm committed to doing for this 50-day reset is gratitude journaling. Yesterday I showed you when I was using the Calm app. I didn't expect to do in the app. I was planning on writing in my journal. That's something I really want to focus on, being grateful for what I have, being thankful for the small things in life. It's easy to lose sight of those little things that bring us joy. I'm gonna sleep early so I can wake up early. Good night and take care.
The show cannot go on without you.